Time now is 6:35. A look at business now. Roger and Mike.
All right, thank you very much, Mel. Good morning, Mike Eppel. Hello?
Hello.
Hey, there we are.
How are you?
Was worried we didn't have you.
No, I'm here.
All right.
I'll just yell next time.
I think I'm getting this August market thing.
How's that?
We're having another really good day, aren't we?
Yep.
But now we're going to have a bad day again, aren't we?
That's correct. Remember last Wednesday how it dropped 800 points? Yeah.
Yep.
Quickly forgotten over the past few days. In fact, we're almost back to where we were before the sell-off. So, yeah, the volatility has been to the max. And, you know, each and every tweet out of the U.S. president seems to move things one way or the other. This morning, however, I am looking at China moving forward with some interest rate reforms. That is code for cutting interest rates, making borrowing easier. So they're trying to do something to alleviate some economic stress there. And we'll probably see lower interest rates in the U.S. next month. So investors do some buying when those are the signals in the day.
All right, so lots going on.
Yep.
Home Depot reporting its earnings, and
Yep.
that'll be an indicator, correct?
Yes, and it already is to some extent because they're worried about the trade battle between the U.S. and China, saying that, you know, escalating tariffs are not good for consumers. And this is going to hit their sales in the second half of this year. Now, have some companies simply, you know, adjusted their pricing or not? To offset the increased tariffs on goods coming in from China. Some companies are going to get hit harder than others. Companies with lower priced items, the dollar stores, for example, a lot of their content comes from China. And, you know, that's probably going to be more of an indicator here than the Home Depot. Nevertheless, when you've got the biggest home improvement retailer on the planet talking about all of this, it's, again, raising a little bit of a red flag.
And, of course, it hits a lot of people right now because a lot of people are doing renos and everything.
Well, and that's the trade-off. And Home Depot is always seen as this barometer, right? Are people spending on their homes, or are they just deciding, okay, I'm going to move? Real estate, right?
Yep. All right. One last thing. Apple and Disney.
Yeah.
More things you can buy?
Coming up in November, competing streaming services from these two gigantic companies. Apple is spending upwards of $6 billion with a B dollars on original content, including this new show called The Morning Show, appropriately enough. I think you're going to be portrayed.
It's not based on reality at all.
You're going to be portrayed by Steve Carell.
Really? Wait, he gets fired. Hang on.
I'm not saying anything.
Hold on a second.
And I'll be portrayed by Jennifer Aniston. Anyway.
Now it's just getting weird.
Or something weird like that, yes. Anyway, the point is, you've got Netflix, you've got Amazon Prime, Disney, Apple, all of these streaming services coming online. So it's going to be interesting, the price competition, first of all, and how much they're going to have to spend just to keep all of this going and where consumers are going to go.
All right. Michael, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
You look great, Jennifer.
Thank you very much.
All right. Have a good one, sir.